How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Fierce Technology. Today we are unboxing the brand new Airpods 3. We've got them in hand today. We're going to go ahead and open these up, and the first thing that you will notice from this brand new packaging of Airpods 3, no more plastic wrapper on them. So they're getting away from the plastic wrapping. So we do have these pull tabs that we're going to go ahead and just pull the back one right there. And we'll pull this one right there. And then we'll go ahead and just put them down. And we'll open it up just like that. We've got our Apple stickers, instruction, and all that good stuff here. Let's see if did we get the stickers? Did we get the stickers? No Apple stickers? Really? Wow. Okay, a little bit disappointing. No Apple stickers to start it off right here. That's a little bit of a downfall here, but hey, that's all right. All right, we'll throw all the packaging and stuff aside, and let's go ahead and grab our AirPods. There they are. And right away, we notice that I have the original AirPods, the AirPod 1s, and this case is a little bit thicker. It's a little bit wider of a case. And we'll go ahead and peel this plastic off, obviously not getting away from this plastic right here that is surrounding our AirPods. We'll pull that and throw that away here. And then what is this we got? It's almost like I thought this was a piece of dirt, but I think that's actually a little bit of a light spot right there just on our case right here. It is a charging case, wireless charging case, which is really cool. And we'll go ahead and pop it open, and you can see the lights are just a flashing right there. And I'm actually going to grab my iPhone right here, and let's go ahead and see. Oh, software update available. All right. Yeah, we'll update our software in a second right here. But is it recognizing our AirPods? Let's see. We'll close it and we'll open it up again. And nope, set up with limited functionality. All right, so I do need to update my software before I can install my AirPods. So I'll do that off camera. We're not going to do it right now, but I mean, you can see when it opens up, it definitely recognizes on my phone right away, which is really neat. And we'll go ahead and pop one of them out right here. And wow, I really do like the design of them. It's a little bit thicker of a bud than the original AirPods, but it's got all the different haptic feedback buttons. It doesn't have the noise cancellation that the AirPod Pros have, but I actually do prefer that. So when you have these in your ear, you can still definitely hear the outside. So if someone's talking to you or whatnot, you can definitely hear them. We'll grab the other one out right here. I'll put the case down and you can see them both nicely. The brand new AirPod 3s. Very cool. I will link them down below, so if you guys want to check out what the current pricing of them is, let's go ahead. Am I not putting in the right case? Am I not putting in the right case? All right, let's put them in the right case. There we go. All right, we got the first one in. We'll grab the next one. We'll throw that one in, and we'll just go ahead and close it. But I absolutely love this case. The case is super nice. You can go ahead and wirelessly charge it. We'll go ahead and put that down, and we'll see, do we have any cable in here? We do indeed. And what is it? It is Lightning. Disappointing, not USB 3. Actually, well, you know what? This is actually kind of cool. It is USB 3 from here. So it's USB 3 or USB-C to USB Lightning. So USB-C to USB Lightning, but not too bad. All right, we'll go ahead. We've got a couple of these anyway, so this one does look like it's going to be a decent size. Actually, let's go ahead and unwrap this and see if it's longer than our standard 3 feet ones or if it is just our 3 feet cable. Get all that packaging and stuff out of here. We'll go ahead and extend it, and nope, it's just our standard size. I know you can't see the full thing on camera right here, but if you're going to go ahead and charge your AirPods, you're just going to plug it in down there. Plug that into your USB-C. I'm sure you've got enough of these now going on where you can plug those into a lot of different places now. You can charge it up. I'll actually put my preferred USB-C charger in the comment section down below, as well as, like I said, the current pricing for your AirPods 3 down below as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. If it was helpful, hit that thumbs up, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.